Eerie sights fill my gaze. I look upon bodies battered and weary, faces painted with pensive, solemn expression, pulsating temples and tightened jawbones, eyes darting about in all directions, engaged in survival mode. I look upon tense shoulders and perched arms crossed defensively. The walking dead tirelessly searching for their per diem fixations. I look upon groups of individuals muddled together in rife proximity, bonded by generations of penury. I hear the sounds of horror which indelibly resonate. I look upon scores of youth, and even though their sobs and wailing may be silent, and their cries out for help may be inaudible, the noise is still deafening. I hear the scuffling of sneakered footsteps against the concrete pavement, the blaring of lights and sirens, and the laboring of breathing as perpetrators fleetingly escape authoritative pursuit. I hear the cries and wailing of infants being held on the hips of adolescents who have been maternally forced into adulthood. I look upon the ghetto infrastructure with its family dwellings stripped down, black and charred, and presumed vacant. Squatters making do with secondhand furniture and pirated utilities. Under appliances and corner sits, fly strips, mouse traps, roach motels. I look upon lurid, hulking eyesores riding away, standing on their last leg. Employment severely abated, so bill collectors and landlords subsequently become persona non gratas. I look upon busloads of school children being driven towards dreams thought to be unattainable. I hear the squeaks and croaks of rocking chairs as elders gather and squabble over matters of vanity. I gaze upon games of hopscotch and double dutch being played on the same ghetto sidewalks where the hustlers shoot craps. School children walking the same ghetto streets where the working girls stroll. I hear the resounding celebrations of those who for so long hidden their true identity for fear of enmity from the masses, but have now released themselves from the crypts of their own hearts and minds. Sights and sounds of the ghetto.